I'll show you how to manage API keys in Google AI Studio step by step in 2026. Properly managing your API keys is essential for keeping your AI applications secure and preventing unauthorized access. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio with your Google account. From the dashboard, navigate to the *API keys ** section, where you can view all the API keys associated with your account. Here, you'll see your existing API keys. If you need a new one, click Create API Key * and Google AI Studio will generate a new key for you. Copy the key immediately and store it in a secure location, such as a password manager or an environment variable. If an API key is no longer needed, or you believe it has been exposed, delete or regenerate it right away. Regenerating a key invalidates the old one and helps protect your applications from unauthorized use. For better security, create separate API keys for different projects instead of using one key everywhere. This makes it easier to monitor usage, troubleshoot issues, and revoke access for a single project without affecting others. Never hardcode your API key into your application's source code or upload it to public repositories like GitHub. Always use environment variables or secure configuration files to keep your credentials protected. Finally, review your API keys regularly and remove any that are no longer in use. Keeping your account organized and secure is an important part of managing AI projects, and that's how to manage API keys in Google AI Studio in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.